James Golden, also known by his pseudonym, Bo Snerdley, is a call screener, producer, and engineer for the syndicated Rush Limbaugh radio talk show. Since 2001 he has been a producer executive for Premier Networks, the largest radio syndication company in the United States. Although Golden works from a control booth off the air, a 2008 New York Times Magazine profile of Limbaugh reported that during the show, Golden banters with and occasionally badgers Limbaugh via an internal talkback circuit. On occasion, Golden has been accorded airtime on the program. In February 2008, Golden, who is black, was assigned a satirical cameo role by Limbaugh as the show's official criticizer of Barack Obama. The role has become an occasionally recurring feature. He is a senior partner of Golden Creative Communications, LLC. In his early 20s, Golden worked at radio station WWRL as a marketing and research director and later served as the radio station's first music research director. From 1992 to 1998, Golden co-hosted a political call-in show, The James and Joel Show, on WABC Radio in New York. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.